So we have the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G here today. The newest A series device towards the budget range, but with the all-important 5G support feature. If you need a 5G at this price range or a secondary device, then this might be it. But what about the build quality? Is it still soft and weak like the previous A series devices? Let's test it and find out. The slimmest and smallest unboxing experience this year because something important is missing inside the box. The design is quite similar to other Xiaomi models, just the 3 camera cutouts simply jutting out at the left. Even then it looks decent enough. The pattern at the back is kind of a circular groovy texture, improving the grip and making the screeching noise. Even though the Galaxy A14 5G comes in thick at 9.1 mm, yet the weight is only 202 grams. And thankfully, it does not feel weak, at least in my usual trial bend. We hope the build is strong enough to survive the actual bend test.
At the top center is the 2.07 megapixel f2.0 front selfie camera with the CMOS BSI sensor type. On the main camera unit is the primary 50.12 megapixel f1.8 CMOS backside illumination sensor. A depth sensing second rear camera at 2 megapixels, f2.4 aperture, and a 2 megapixel macro camera at f2.4 aperture size. Xiaomi has mostly performed great in our scratch tests, mainly because of the use of high-quality tempered glass protection, like Corning Gorilla glasses. But Samsung may have foregone Corning glass protection on the A14 5G as a cost-cutting ploy to keep the prices down. Hopefully, it does not fail like the poor quality glasses mostly found on budget BBK devices. Samsung has fortunately managed to pass our scratch test on the Galaxy A14 5G even without the implementation of Gorilla Glass protection. Next, onto a quick drop test, just 4 drops in total, 2 low drops, on the backside and display, followed by 2 high drops. In our multiple drop testing experiences with Samsung devices, anything can happen during the hard droppings, like glass shatter or a dead phone, physical dents and marks on the body, or even damage to the sound unit. We hope Samsung has tweaked the design on this budgeter so that it doesn't suffer from display glass shatter or a completely dead unit. After both low drops, at this stage no damages or shatters can be noticed. Next, the 2 important high drops. First drop on the triple camera's backside. Still no damages either on the camera unit or on the internal hardware. Next, the finale high drop on the display, screen side. Will the A14 5G fail like previous models? No visible or physical damages can be seen, and the display is still alive working as new. The new Samsung Galaxy A14 5G thankfully survives and passes our drop test. Next, onto fun stuff with value, the bend test, for the real-life actual build quality of devices. Does the A14 5G have the same soft AF body as previous A-series devices? Let's find out.
Quite a decent amount of flex degree from the first screen bend, yet is able to stay in one piece. From the back side, the bend degree is a bit more than the first. We can safely say that Xiaomi has given us great build and design at decent pricing. The Samsung Galaxy A14 5G passes the bend test without issues.